the 15th of April 2025, and I personally believe that a minor correction should be coming, at least a minor pullback. So now we are currently trading at the upper end of the downtrend line. This is one thing. Second, something to take note is that there is this depth cross over here, 50 versus 150 moving average, simple moving average. Generally, if there would be a bounce to about this area, but then the likelihood of it continuing the downtrend will be there. In order for us to see the market continue to go up, we got to break this level, which is around 19,700, 20,700. Okay, but some good news is that tentatively the short-term momentum indicator is not yet at a full range, so we might be able to have this opportunity to break out of this downtrend line. And if you're able to break out of this immediate downtrend line, then there's a odds of us heading upwards more with the remaining momentum over here. As of right now, in terms of the trade war tariff, China is not backing down, and anyway, China also don't have to break back down because they right now people need them more than they need other people. And at the same time, like Trump has been flip-flopping, so too sure how things are going to go. The reason for this whole crash is because of the uncertainty, and since the uncertainty is not yet dispersed, things aren't going to jump back to all-time high anytime soon. My personal action plan is that I would add 57 more shares onto my have, because currently I do have some odd shares. So I'm able to add these 57 shares. I will be able to sell 43 cover call instead of 42 cover calls that I'm currently selling, and just maximize what I have. But along the way, I will just continue to keep my weekly cash flow as cash, reinvest them towards my remaining part of the evergreen wheel strategy to be able to generate cash flow. And when this cash flow continue to compound, then I will be able to make much more cash flow on a weekly basis. This is more like a flywheel that I have created. And I think lastly, right, a next major step for 100K to fire, it is for me to experiment inverse wheel strategy, which is everything the same as what I usually do, but on a short inverse ETF to be able to replace my previous sleeping bear ratio. I think this is probably a more safer method for me to protect my capital and protect my portfolio while generating even higher cash flow on that. Don't know how it will turn out to be like, but tentatively I'm just to test first and before roll out if I see it as promising. With that, you can continue to look through the rest of the reports, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.